No, I need some more gel. I know you lying. Alright, y'all, so I'm vlogging from the salon today, period. This is my client, Adrienne. So, how you getting your hair today?
I think I want to do either a bun or you could just do a regular cut or keeping it.
Okay. So bun, like a regular bun, what you mean, like pulled up into a bun and that's it? With just a retwist? Okay. Or
you could do it, kind of keeping it.
Okay, it depends if you want to go simple or if you want me to give you a pinner.
Oh man. I want to go. We're going to give it simple.
Okay. Okay, so it definitely is.
I'm looking in the mirror like that.
Oh, period. What I was about to say, so with the regular bun, if you just want it pulled up, I'll have to use clips. And then you have to soak the drying out of the bun when you get up. That's fine, okay.
How long?
Had to make sure. I'm like 40 minutes.
Yeah, we gotta do it every style.
Okay. So you don't want to do that?
No.
Okay.
I like this.
So what are we doing? You want me to just pin you up? All right. Alright, so I'm gonna freestyle. Well, really, I'm gonna retwist her hair a little bit, and we'll be back.
I want the, the girl Shelly.
Mm-hmm.
I just love the color.
That
I think
red,
it's gonna look so bomb. So, yeah,
she still got the red color?
No, she got like the blonde. It's like the blonde.
It's like platinum too.
Yeah, and I
it's
think
really
gonna
cute.
look so bomb on me.
Okay, but dyeing your hair that blonde is very, 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 very risky.
Really?
Because first of all, blonde hair, period, especially if it's over. Let me see, like, who has blonde hair? Okay, but definitely like that Beyonce honey blonde and that Sierra little honey blonde. Anything past that is definitely going to stunt your growth. It's definitely going to, if you are, blonde is a color that, if you are comfortable at the length that you're at, you fine, color your hair blonde. If you don't want to see, no improvement, you want your hair to stay stagnant, okay, go for it.
And I need my hair to go.
But blonde, definitely, because it does something called tends to perovskity out of the hair, so it starts to grow. You just gotta be careful with that blonde. Very cute though.
It is.
Very, very cute.
But I gotta find a different color.
And Miss Shelley, she keep her hair dyed. I know that's right. For your Thanksgiving?
I did. Unfortunately, I had to work, but we had Thanksgiving at my house on Sunday.
Oh, okay.
But it was
still
still
cute.
nice.
Yeah, I was about to say, okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
How was your Thanksgiving?
It was cool. My family, they wanted to do it at my house this year.
But that's good.
No, irritating. I got OCD when people come over my house. I don't know why. Like when they was over there, I moved the pillows off the couch and stuff. I put like a little bag on the floor because I ain't want them stepping on my white bread.
You just don't need no company.
Yeah, I'm telling you, and I don't have none. If you ain't company enough where you can come to my room, I'm gonna meet you out somewhere.
So they gotta take the shoes off at the door?
Oh, honey, yes! Or wear shoe covers. I got a box next to the door.
You checked on for Christmas? You having a Christmas dinner?
Probably. When they left, they told me I'd do it at my house again. I honestly don't mind because it wasn't as bad as I anticipated. Good morning. So we'll see what they got planned.
You.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, my love?
I'm good. We sitting out here.
All right. What we doing today?
We gonna I don't know. I like that what she got. Is my hair that long?
Yeah, your hair longer than hers.
Okay, I like that.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. I'll try something different. I'll beat you one more time before Christmas.
Okay.
3 of us, so I'm gonna make an appointment for, all 3 of us.
Okay.
One after another. Like. 'Cause he ain't had his hair done since you did it.
You a lie, the truth ain't in you.
I swear to you. I be saying, Rodney, it's time. I said, I'll pay for it. Get your hair done.
It's fine, Rodney.
I'm gonna get it done, Mama, for Christmas. I'm gonna get it done for Christmas, okay? Yeah, his head is a whole mess.
Alright guys, so I've just shampooed my client hair, so I'm gonna retwist it and we'll be back shortly. Alright y'all, so I'm done retwisting, period. Okay, so where did you want to put the bun at? My camera.
Like a half, like half.
Okay. Ooh, let's see. All right. What am I gonna do? I don't know. Ooh. Ciao. Okay, I got a little mini idea. Oh shit. What was right here? Alright. No, I don't. Okay. I'm gonna keep some of this left. Okay, let me see. Alright. So some people be asking me like, how do I braid up? I don't know. It's just something I started doing because I'm tall. Like most of my clients be short. I don't got time to be breaking my back up front.
They excited to see what you want to do.
Huh?
I said they excited to see what you want to do.
Period. You know what? Recording my first video, I was in my down there. I'm like, I'm really in here talking to myself. And then by the time I was done, I was having fun. It's just something I got to get used to. I just wish I didn't look so new at it. And in a little bit, you hoes not gonna be able to take it. Period. No earrings or no bracelet to match. I was like, oh, cross my little heart. I thought I did something with a little bit of money.
But any other team, you like any other team though, right? The ones that got the little
That's really easy. Oh, that's easy. Hey!
You started Christmas shopping?
Girl, no, I ain't got nobody like I'm buying my mama something. One thing.
No.
One thing. What should I do this for in time? No, whatever. Okay. Ah, man, that's right. Yes. Do y'all like come on for real? Stop playing. So do you want me to just do a regular bun with it now, or just braid it, or braid it?
Which thing you look better?
Huh?
Which thing you look better?
I'm with either.
Alright, you can do it, bud.
A regular one.
Okay.
Period. I know.
Period. Look down for me this one. Period. Period.
Don't copy y'all.